Hello world and all.
Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the vlog, I guess. Today is Monday and I am driving right now. So I wanted to start this vlog off right now because I wanted to ask you guys a question. If you remember the books from whenever we used to read, like, as a kid, they were called like something blah 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 of the Black Lagoon, and there was one with like a nasty ass teacher and all this other shit. I just want to know if you guys remember that, because me and my sister just had a full-blown fucking conversation for like 45 minutes about this shit, and like I just want to know if everybody else remembers this like I do. Like, we found the pictures and everything, so it's like legit and everything, but I just want to know if you guys know about it.
Hello.
What's up, you ugly motherfucker?
I'm a gold trooper, dude. I'm pushing tilted. Hey, Squeen.
What's going on, buddy?
Wait, Wills? Wow.
Fuck you, RJ. You smell like... Bro, you smell like cheese.
You're cheese tofu.
Dude, are you streaming right now, please?
No.
Good.
Why? Because.
I said so.
Okay. As soon as I die in this game, we'll head out.
Yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe?
Do you think I should?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a little
We'll
bit.
see what we can do.
We'll see what happens.
Alright.
Hi.
Hello!
Okay.
You can't even fucking see anything!
Alright. Listen.
It doesn't have low light compensation. This isn't low light, so this is a crazy camera, dude.
Bro, if you tap where you made the bright, or where you made it, yeah. If you hold it in, it does an AE lock, and if you slide your finger up and left, or like up and down, you get a low light. Which one? Let me see it. Did you see what I'm talking about?
Not at all.
Did you see what I'm talking about?
Not at all.
Alright. See?
Oh!
And when it goes up and down, it makes it like that's super dark. That's
Did
low.
you just hear that race car?
No. And then this is super light.
Yeah?
I'm having a really good time right now.
You know, me too.
Blaze.
Blaze, what are you doing? He was like playing with his hands like this. He was
counting my bug bites.
like,
They're itchy, dude.
I casually just am holding a fan. Like, what? Like, what reason?
You fried, dude. Hey, computer's on.
The hole in his sheets. Ew. You didn't have to open your legs. Close your legs.
Does it taste like fish?
Huh?
Or smell like fish? I meant to say smell. Jesus Christ.
Look, guys, I don't know how often you clean out your car, but do it more often, because I let my friends come in here a couple times and I don't really come in my car very often. Wow. Every time I said it, it just sounded gayer and gayer. I don't come into my back seat a lot, and one of my friends literally got, I don't even know what the hell this is. Hey man, if you could just calm down, I'm trying to do a video over here. Turn it off or something, man. But yeah, guys, clean out your cars a little bit more often. I'm honestly kind of disgusted. I can't get it out at all. It's on there, and it's gross. Oh, wait. Hell yeah, that's disgusting. There was a hair on it.
I smell like the chocolate.
I love being able to watch what I'm trying to watch. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh my god. You literally yelled at Tyler fucking 10 minutes ago about him trying to watch a fucking video.
I just wanted to learn about bees!
Go like this with it.
What, cut myself?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. That's a long video. You're running up 28 seconds now. That's all like gigs.
That's like 50 megabytes.
Dude, get your fucking car out of the road, bro. That's sick, dude. That's awesome. It's raining, so I gotta make this quick. But thank you guys for watching, especially on the last video. You guys killed it in the support for my first video. Never had a reaction like that in my life, and I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the shit. But this video was only short because of the fact that this is the second upload for the week, and I wouldn't normally upload 2 vlogs a week, but I might start doing that. We'll see. Regardless, the next week is going to be better quality, better vlogs. It's definitely going to be better all over. So if you guys haven't already, fucking subscribe, leave a like, leave a fucking comment, dude. Guys, show some fucking love for your boy, dude.